everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, this is my sister Kristen.
Hi.
Today we're going to be going through the holiday haul box for Easter.
Yay.
If you're not familiar with the holiday haul box, it is a holiday decor box. So it's not seasonal, it's not monthly, it's holiday to holiday. So every holiday in a calendar that you're going to get a box of decorations for that holiday. They are, was it $89.99 or 89 something, under $90 per approximately per holiday.
Unless you did the year subscription.
Yeah, unless you do the buy all the holidays at one time, which we didn't do. We're doing the holiday to holiday. So check out her website, check out the other holidays. You can go back and buy some previous boxes if you like. We are so excited. We love these. This is now our third holiday for the holiday haul box.
Yes.
This month we've got St. Patrick's Day and Easter all in the same month. So double holiday, cool beans.
Exactly.
All right. Look at how cute the box is.
Lots of Easter eggs, Easter colors, just very adorable.
Yes. You've seen already that they decorate each box with the theme of the holiday, which makes it great for storing the decorations in between holidays. All right, let's see what is inside the holiday box.
And of course, always cute tissue paper and sticker.
Very cute. While she's getting that open, I'll ask you guys if you like this kind of content, if you like the decoration boxes and different things that I do with my sister, let me know. We enjoy doing them together, and I'd appreciate your feedback. Also, hit the subscribe button and hit the like if you like them.
And they always do a card so you can scan and see about the product. That's what it looks like.
I see something adorable already.
Yes, we're going to try to take off some of the squiggly
Oh my
stuff.
goodness.
Okay, so this Easter stuff is about to get over the top adorable, so you may see lots of squeals.
I know.
We're going to open the first thing.
We don't control our cute level very well.
No. There's another candle ring, but
Oh.
look at the beautiful purple flowers. I mean, you can leave this up all summer and spring. It's gorgeous.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh,
It's almost like, is it like lavender flowers it's supposed to look like? Or I mean like
Like
actual
lilacs and-
oh yeah.
and I don't know what the purple
I don't know,
fluffy
but they're
ones are,
pretty.
but it's very
And you can
pretty.
fluff it out.
Yeah.
It's definitely
It's
on
been-
wires and things.
Yeah, definitely on wires and stuff.
Oh,
So-
can I do that? Can I do
Yes.
that? Okay.
There's lots of cute.
Okay, you do that one, I'll do this one.
Okay, let's hold them up first.
Okay, so I don't know if you can tell from inside the bag.
This is so
But
cute.
they're little sheep.
Little sheep are
Okay.
adorable. And it looks like, yeah, you can
Oh,
fluff 'em up.
yeah, they're cute with their little ears.
Oh my gosh.
They've got beanbag bottoms, so they'll set
Oh
flat.
my goodness, they're just adorable.
Look at the little eyeballs.
Just
Isn't
so
that
cute. I mean, look at this. Look at a cuteness.
And a little sheep
tails.
butt. It's cute.
I mean, very cute.
Oh my goodness, these are adorable. And because they're not pastel-y, even though they're sheep, you leave them up past Easter if you wanted
Yeah.
to, but they're obviously more leaning into the Easter
Spring
theme.
Easter, but
Very
so
cute.
cute.
Okay, now you can do it.
Okay, so then we have a cute little trinket tray or candle tray.
Oh,
It's
that's
like it has
adorable.
little ball feet.
It's
and then
kind
it
of,
just like it's white with little distress marks to make it look.
at first I thought they were flower
Oh.
prints, but they're like
But it is
Hammer.
very cute. Cute for a candle, cute for a trinket tray.
adorable.
Very cute. I like the little round feet. This is nice.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Okay, next.
Oh, hey, something for me. Okay, you guys, Chris has been doing most of the cooking lately. I've had the flu, but I generally do the cooking in the house. So this is an adorable hot mitt,
Look at the
and
purple.
I want to
and
say
the
it's got a
bicycle.
tea towel inside.
Another tea towel for purple.
It's
Purple.
lavender, and it's got a pocket for your hand. I love this hot mitt.
I'll take it apart. We can see.
Yeah, let me take it. Let's get some scissors. So we have, here, I'll let you do the towel. Whoops. So this is a good size hot mitt. You can grab, I've got my thumb in hand, so I can grab a good size pot with that.
And it's so cute with the
And
bicycle.
I actually will use this
And it
versus
says-
just decoration. It says,
It's in French, but it means producers of lavender, and it is very cute and chic.
It's a heavyweight
and
cotton
this,
too. It's
again,
nice.
their quality of their tea towels is wonderful.
I love that.
Oh,
It's so
and
pretty.
then the purple, I love the purple.
And then but wait, there's more.
There's still more, which we're excited about. Oh, this is
Is it
heavy.
It's a trivet.
It can be used as a.
What is it?
Says,
I think
nope, it's a
it's not a
sign.
trivet. Okay.
Lavenders, seed stems, and blooms. So you can, it's flat, so you can put it on a shelf. Oh my goodness.
It's so
It
cute.
just goes with theme. You get this on a shelf with the candle holder. Oops, I got it in all over it. With it, and I mean, you got a whole
That's
little
beautiful.
decoration going here on one, on the shelf.
And if you had a pretty that candle we got last month would actually fit in that little tray.
Oh yeah,
And almost be a part of a decoration
and
scheme.
I mean this and the little sheep. I mean, spring, Easter.
Yes.
It's perfect. It's not over the top Easter.
Yeah.
So most of the stuff you can leave out all spring. So
I love
this
that it's
was
not
good.
too on the nose for the holidays. It's perfect for the holiday, but it's not screaming, "Hey, I'm Easter decoration." But it's
Yeah,
really
now
pretty.
I like the things to scream the holiday, but it's kind of nice that this is stuff that I can leave out all season
Yeah.
until the seasons change. So this is nice.
And I know it's probably not true for everybody, but so far, all of these things are fitting in really well with our normal decor
Yeah.
in the house.
Exactly. And so we got a lot of items. We got the tea towel and hot mix set where, the other ones we just got tea towels. I mean,
This counts as a twofer in my opinion.
yeah. And then the cute little sheep, adorable. The sign that I put back in its protective packaging. You've got the trinket or candle holder and then a candle ring.
This was a full box.
This was a lot of stuff in this box. This was very nice.
Very cool. Oh, you guys, this was a good box.
Yes.
All right, so we got through the Easter holiday haul box. The next holiday is going to be
They said, what I remember hearing is they send out 4th of July in time for Memorial Day. So you can have out for Memorial Day all the way through the 4th, which I love because I love patriotic stuff to put out for Memorial Day and all the way through the 4th and just leaving it up, celebrating our red, white, and blue. So that'll be fun when we get that.
Yeah, I'm loving this. Thank you, Krista, for going through this one with me again. Thank you guys for joining us today on Beth Unboxes. I hope you enjoyed this one. Hit the like, hit subscribe, hit the notifications bell. We will see you next time on Beth Unboxes.
Bye.
Bye-bye.